All right, here we are in Chapter 8, Lesson 4, Problem Solving. Our essential question: how are factors and multiples helpful in solving problems? Today we will guess, check, and revise. Learn the strategy. The Bactrian camel has 2 humps, while the dromedary camel has just 1. Toby counted 20 camels with a total of 28 humps. How many camels of each type are there? So first we're going to think back to, what do we know? We know that Bactrian camels have 2 humps and dromedary camels have 1 hump. We know that there are 20 camels with a total of 28 humps. What do we need to find? How many camels of each type are there? Sorry. We'll make a plan, so we're going to guess, check, and revise to solve the problem. So here's a table. If we had 7 Bactrian camels and 13 dromedary camels, that's 7 times 2 humps plus 13 times 1 hump. Remember that we've learned parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we do the multiplication part first, right? We would add them up. 27 total for this situation, that's too low, and 8 in this scenario with 8 Bactrian camels and 12 dromedary camels is correct. So there are 8 Bactrian camels and 12 dromedary camels. Because 16 plus 12, I'm sorry, 8 plus 12, we're talking about the number of camels. And then 16 humps plus 12 humps is 28 humps. Now we'll practice the strategy. Connor spent $66 on rookie cards and Hall of Famer cards. How many of each type of card did he buy? So we know that rookie cards cost 4 for $6 and 2 for $9. So what do we know? Connor spent $66. Rookie cards are 4 for $6. Hall of Famer cards are 2 for $9. What do we need to find? How many of each type of card? Guess, check, revise. So notice the last time they used a table. Makes sense to do that same thing again. So you could say if he got $6 in cards times 8 sets, So we spent $48. But you get 4 for 6. So you would multiply 4 times 8. So you would get 32 cards at $48. And then the 66 minus that would be, right, 58 is 10. Plus another 8, that's 18. So if we did $9 times 2 sets for a total of $18, but then we got 2 cards per set. So 4 Hall of Famer cards at $18. This actually equals 66. So these are the amount of cards you get from each. And I'm going to tell you, I did not look this up ahead of time. I was just estimating because I knew $6, I wouldn't want to do 10 sets because that's 60, and then 9 doesn't go into 66 if I already have 60. So I thought if I go lower than 60 by a set or two, then I should be able to fill in with some $9 sets as well. So just honestly got really lucky that the first guesses that I took on amounts happened to be the actual answer. So. So we're checking to see, or you could even do 66. You could always work backwards, right? Minus 48, minus 18 to get to 0. All right, come back with questions, but mostly you will set up charts and tables and take your best guess using some mathematical reasoning.